What are the waiting lists for driving tests here in the UK? Now, for the theory tests, they're not as long as the practical. This was always the case sort of pre-COVID as well. They've kind of gone a little bit higher sort of after COVID. It's kind of complicated the system because of the huge backlog that sort of created. Even, you know, sort of 2-3 years after we come out the final lockdown, there's still, the waiting lists are still sort of slow to recover really. So what it used to be prior was you used to wait, you know, 2 to 4 weeks maybe for a theory, and it used to be 6 to 8 weeks maybe for a practical. Now after COVID, you are looking at a bit of a longer waiting for it. Now it does fluctuate per area, obviously, but generally I'm sort of more in the northwest of England, sort of Greater Manchester based, and generally the waiting lists are around 5 to 6 months, which disheartening. I know people don't want to hear that, but it's the reality. So the theories generally you can get a little bit earlier. You can generally get one with sort of within a month. All right, so unfortunately they are quite high at the minute.